Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To toast nuts on the stove, heat a large frying pan over medium-high heat. Do not add any oil or cooking spray. The nuts have enough oils on their own and will not stick to the pan. Once the pan is hot, add a single layer of nuts and cook them, stirring frequently, until they are golden brown and super aromatic.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Spread nuts, almonds, walnuts, hazelnuts or whatever you like to cook or eat, in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast for 5 to 10 minutes, and up to 12, tossing the nuts around occasionally to ensure even cooking. Nuts are done when they appear a shade darker and smell toasty. Let cool completely before using.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Dissolve salt in water as much as possible and then pour onto raw nuts, stirring thoroughly. Spread onto a lined baking sheet. Bake at 375 for about 15 minutes, stirring at the halfway mark. After baking, coat the warm nuts with a bit of olive oil and a couple shakes of sea salt and let them cool.
Take our lead.
Pecans often contain excessive moisture when they first fall. The nuts should be dried before they are put in storage. Drying can usually be accomplished by placing the pecans in a shallow layer in a warm, dry area for 2 weeks. Adding fans and heat can speed drying.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.